Yeah, it is interesting because Odin was generally seen as the king of the gods, but there were not so many place names, named after Odin. People generally named places much more after Thor, so that is interesting. My idea is that it's because Thor was more like a regular guy. He was a super regular guy. He was a regular guy with superpowers, but he was the kind of guy who would protect you against the things that go bump in the night, because he had Mjolnir, which he would throw at the giants, and it would never miss its mark, and it would always kill the giant, and that would be the end of that. Odin's thing is more like traveling to the land of the giants, learning something from the giants and integrating it into the world of the gods, the world of men, the world of consciousness. It's a much more complicated affair. Odin is not like, Odin is more of a shaman figure, whereas Thor is more like a regular guy who just wants things to work and to defend the perimeter.